Okay. In this session, we are going to see about Hill cipher. Hill cipher is a substitution techniques which is used for encryption and decryption purpose. Okay. Here, when taking an Hill cipher, inputs will be an English letter. Okay, from A to Z, right? And with entries drawn from 0 to 25. Okay, A value will be assigned as 0 and Z value will be assigned as 25. Okay, then how the encryption and decryption or takes place. When taking an encryption, multiply each block by k and then reduce mod 26. Okay, k is said to be a key. Okay, k is said to be a key which is used for encryption and decryption. Okay, then when taking an decryption, multiply each block by the inverse of k and reduce mod 26. Okay, take this example. Plain text will be LOVE, love. Okay, the secret key will be 23 15 7. Okay, this 2 by 2 matrix is said to be a key, secret key. Okay, right. First, what we have to do means we have to separate this plain text into two parts. Okay, LO will be one part and VE will be the another part. Okay, first taking an LO, see, take this key 20 23 51 7, right? Then here L value will be assigned as what? 11. Okay, substitute 11. The value of O is 14. Okay, substitute 14, 11 and 14 for L and O. Okay, then do the matrix multiplication, you can get this value. Okay, then it can be reduced to 2 3. Okay, 2 3 mod 26, like that. Find out the matrix value for VE. Take this key value 23 51 7 and the value of V. The value of V is 21. Substitute 21 here and the value of E is 4. Substitute 4 here. Then do the matrix multiplication. You can get this value and reduce this value to mod 26. Okay, take it out. Take it out separately. 2 3 16 5. Okay, these are the matrix we got. See, 2, the value 2 is assigned for C. Then take that letter C. Okay, then the value of 3 is assigned for letter D. Take that letter. 15 is assigned for Q. Take that Q letter and substitute here. Then finally 5, the value 5. 5 is assigned for F. Then take that letter and substitute here. These letters are said to be a cipher text. This text is said to be a cipher text. This is how the encryption process takes place. This is how the encryption process takes place. Okay. How you can reduce this mod value? 262, 263, and how you can get 2 mod 26. How much you got? 10, 260. The remainder will be 2. Then substitute this 2 value here. Okay, like that. 260 divided by 26, you get remainder 3. Okay, the remainder will be 3. Decode it. How you can decode it? See, we need to compute the inverse of this key value. 20 into 7 minus 15 into 3. How much you got? 95, right? 95 divided by 26, you can get 17 as remainder. So the mod value is 17 here. Okay, you have to find inverse for this mod value. Okay, A and D are interchanged. This is said to be an A value This is a 20 is said to be an A value, 3 is B, 15 is C, 7 is D. Okay. When taking an adjacent, what will come? A will be replaced in the place of D and D will be replaced in the place of A. We can change the sign of these diagonals B and C. Then 17, mod 17 can be replaced by mod 23, right? Inverse of 17 mod 26 will be replaced by 23. Okay. Then finally you can multiply inside what you get 5, 9, 19, 18. Okay. Right. Keep this key separately 5, 9, 19, 18. Okay. Keep this key separately. This key is used for what? Decryption purpose. Okay. Then this is in ciphertext. Okay. Using this ciphertext only we are going to find a plain text. Take this ciphertext and divide it into two parts. Okay. First part will be CD and another part will be QF. Okay. Take this key separately 5, 9, 19, 80 and multiply with first part of ciphertext C and D. Okay. C value will be 2 and D value will be 3. Okay. Then do the matrix multiplication, you can get 37 and 92. Okay. Then reduce the value into 11, 14 mod 26. Okay. Like that, find out the matrix value for Q and F. Okay. Q value will be 16 and F value will be 5. Then do the matrix multiplication, you can get this value and reduce this value into 21, 4 mod 26. Okay. Finally, take these values separately 11, 14, 21, 4. Okay. 11, 14, 21, 4. Take this value separately and find out first value will be 11. Okay. First value will be 11. Check 11, the value 11 is assigned for which letter, which alphabet. Okay. The value 11 is assigned for alphabet L. Okay. Letter L. Like that, the value 14 is assigned for what? The alphabet O. Then the value 21 is assigned for the alphabet V. And finally the value 4 is assigned for what? The letter E. See, we got the plain text. This is the plain text.